Hello students, in the previous lesson we have covered a scale pair which is D flat major scale and its relative minor which is B flat minor scale. In today's lesson we will take another scale pair which is D sharp major scale and in next lesson its relative minor scale. For D sharp major scale, let's first find out the D sharp note onto the fretboard. We will come to it in a moment. Then, we already know that there are two possible ways with the help of which we can discover our scales. One is using single string called single string representation, another is multiple string representation. Let's first derive our D sharp major scale using major scale formula, and the major scale formula is WWH WWWH. Using this formula and using D sharp as the first note, our D sharp major scale will be E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat. Note that we are representing D sharp as E flat. From the observation we can say that we have three flat notes, namely E flat, A flat and B flat. So, the scale can also be called as 3-flat major scale. These are the D sharp notes onto the fretboard. Let's see the single string representation of the scale. Starting from the 6th string, E flat minor scale starts from 11th fret. For 5th string, it starts from 6th fret. For 4th string, it starts from 1st fret. For 3rd string, it starts from 8th fret. For 2nd string, it starts from 4th fret. And for 1st string, it starts from 11th fret. These are all the single string scales on our guitar fretboard. Now, for multiple string representation of our scale, we use scales and patterns, and in this case, we have 4 scales and 4 patterns. Let's move on to our pattern 1 scale 1, which is starting from the 4th string. 4th string 1st fret index finger is E flat. 4th string 3rd fret ring finger is F. 3rd string open is G. 3rd string 1st fret index finger is A flat. 3rd string 3rd fret ring finger is B flat. 2nd string 1st fret index finger is C. 2nd string 3rd fret ring finger is D. 2nd string 4th fret pinky finger is E flat. Let's hear it. Scale 2 pattern 2 starts from the 2nd string. 2nd string 4th fret index finger is E flat. 2nd string 6th fret ring finger is F. 2nd string 8th fret pinky finger is G. 1st string 4th fret index finger is A flat. 1st string 6th fret ring finger is B flat. 1st string 8th fret pinky finger is C. 1st string 10th fret slide from the pinky finger is D. 1st string 11th fret slide from the pinky finger E flat. Let's hear it. Scale 3 pattern 3 starts from the 5th string. 5th string 6th fret middle finger is E flat. 5th string 8th fret pinky finger is F. 4th string 5th fret index finger is G. 4th string 6th fret middle finger is A flat. 4th string 3rd fret pinky finger is B flat. Third string 5th fret index finger is C. Third string 7th fret ring finger is D. Third string 8th fret pinky finger is E flat. Let's hear it. Our last pattern, which is pattern 4 and scale 4, starts from the third string. Third string 8th fret index finger is E flat. Third string 10th fret ring finger is F. Second string 8th fret index finger is G. Second string 9th fret middle finger is A flat. Second string 11th fret pinky finger is B flat. First string 8th fret index finger is C. First string 10th fret ring finger is D. First string 11th fret pinky finger is E flat. Let's hear it. That's all for today's lesson. We will meet in the next lesson. Till then, stay safe and practice more.